How to delete Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways on how you can delete Instagram account. So in order to delete your Instagram account, you'll not be able to do it from the application. For that you need to log in from your web browser. So open up your web browser and then on the web address bar type in instagram.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you're not, then tap on the login button, enter in your credential. After you're logged into your Instagram account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. To delete your account, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right. This is going to direct you to your profile page. Here, tap on edit profile. After that, you'll be taken to the profile info page. Once again, here you'll be able to make changes with all sort of information. Scroll down right to the bottom, you can see there's the button as temporarily deactivate my account. So first of all, before you delete your Instagram account, you'll need to deactivate it. So deactivation process is gonna remain for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. Since you're deactivating your account, give a reason for deactivating it. For the confirmation, you need to type in the password associated with your account. Enter in the information, click on temporarily deactivate my account. As soon as you have done that, you've successfully deactivated your Instagram account, and wait for 30 days. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. In this way, you can delete your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.